Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my sweet students. And I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes by the grace of Allah. Students, here is your English teacher, Miss Nushat, and today's date 30th. Month is 4th, year is 21, and day is Friday, and this is our class 3 and lecture number 4 of topic number 1, back to school. Okay students, as you know, we have completed our question number 1, words meanings, and today we are going to start our second question, and second question is word sentences. Okay, so take out your English copies. This is your English copy, and today we are going to start question number 2, word sentences. Okay, first of all, you will draw a margin line, you will mention date and day. Okay, word sentences. We have first word, holidays, HOLI, holy, DAYS, holidays. Sentence, we go to Karachi on holidays. We go to Karachi on holidays. Number second word is bag, BAG, bag. This is my school bag. This is my school bag. Happy, HAPPY, happy. I am happy. I am happy. Number fourth word is pencil, pencil. PENCIL, pencil. This is my pencil. Number fifth word is clean, CLEAN, clean. Keep yourself clean. Keep yourself clean. Question word number 6 is look, LOOK, look. Look at the door. Look at the door. Number 7 word is packing, 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 packing. I am packing my bag. I am packing my bag. Okay, number 8 and last word is open, 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 open the door. Open the door. Okay students, that was our second question of your first unit. इंशाल्लाह हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलेंगे, और आप लोगों ने बच्चों ऐसा करना है, अपना काम नीट एंड क्लीन करना है. जिस बच्चे ने अपना काम नीट और क्लीन किया सो उसको प्राइज़ दिया जाएगा. ठीक है, सो आप लोगों ने अपना काम बहुत ही खूबसूरती से प्यारा काम करना है. रब करने की कोशिश ना करें, कोशिश करें कि आप अपना वर्ड ठीक लिखें, कि आपको दोबारा रब करने की ज़रूरत पेश ना आए. अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.